Alright guys, here comes Amtrak Capitol Corridor train 747. This is your westbound train to San Jose Diridon station. Here it comes now. SC44 Siemens Charger leading this one off. And the headlights always try to flash after when every driver blows the horn. And it stopped flashing the headlights because it took a few minutes, means while it stopped blowing the horn. And it is 21:23. Type car 8302 Mount Shasta. Alright, there goes your westbound train, Capitol Corridor train 744 to San Jose Diridon station. And looks like I tried catching two Capitol Corridor trains with SC44 Siemens Chargers leading those off. Like the one heading eastbound with an SC44 Siemens Charger in the rear, and then the one heading westbound means the SC44 Siemens Charger in the front. Nice. Live here at Hercules, everybody. Thank you all for watching, and I'm out till later or tomorrow.